Two Allied soldiers leaned down to kiss a Parisian woman on each cheek, a spontaneous act of relief and triumph, a symbol of the moment the city took its first breath of freedom. For 4 long years, Paris had lived in silence, its streets patrolled, its flags hidden, its people forced to whisper behind closed doors. But now, the chains were broken. The city of light could shine again. The bells of Notre Dame rang louder than they had in years. Their echo swept through narrow streets and open squares, calling Parisians out of their homes and into the sunlight. Crowds gathered, hesitant at first, then fearless, unstoppable. What began as small cheers soon turned into a roar that spread across the entire city. Everywhere, the red, white, and blue of France fluttered from windows and balconies. People waved American and British flags, the colors of their liberators, the symbols of hope reborn. Children ran through the streets carrying paper flags, their laughter mingling with the sound of church bells and cheering soldiers. For them, this was the first day they had ever known true freedom. In the heart of Paris, strangers embraced like family. Tears and smiles shared the same faces. Men climbed lampposts to hang banners. Women threw flowers from their windows. Old soldiers saluted the Allied troops passing by. For every Parisian, this was not only victory, it was survival. At the Hôtel de Ville, crowds filled the square, waiting for a glimpse of General de Gaulle. He had returned to a city that refused to die. His voice rose above the noise. Paris. Paris outraged. Paris broken. Paris martyred. But Paris liberated. The words carried through the air like a prayer. And for the first time in years, people believed in tomorrow. The soldiers who had fought through the countryside, who had faced tanks, bombs, and endless fire, now stood still in the streets of Paris, watching the joy they had helped restore. They smiled, they cheered, they wept. In their faces, exhaustion and pride lived side by side. As night fell, the city glowed not with fire, but with light. The Eiffel Tower shone once more, and the Seine reflected 1,000 tiny sparks of celebration. There was singing, dancing, and the sound of accordions rising above the noise of freedom. The war was not over yet, but on this night, hope had already won. Paris, August 25th, 1944. A city reborn from silence. A people reunited by courage. In a moment when joy conquered fear. It was the day freedom returned to France. The day the world remembered what it meant to be free.